Hey everybody, how's everybody doing today? So I'm back for another message. So I've been hearing this song in my head and it's called Golden Years. So I wanted to know what this song meant. So I'm going to pull some cards here and we're going to find out what this song means. Golden Years. And I asked my dragon, he's a green dragon. I said, what's the message of the green dragon? And as soon as I said that, the song Golden Years started playing in my head. So guys, we're going to find out what Golden Years is. Let's tune in. What is the message of the green dragon? Golden Years. What is the message? There he is. Right there. As soon as I parted the cards. So I'm going to take him out. As soon as I parted the cards, there he was. This is the green dragon card. Green dragon helps you tune in to the secrets of nature. Receive answers and guidance from nature. Align with your divine essence. Guys, wow, as I'm looking at this, I immediately notice that there is a key. There's a key. Do you see it? It's going to help you to unlock. It's going to help you to unlock yourself. That's what this is all about. It's going to help you to unlock yourself. All healing comes from yourself, everybody. Isn't that beautiful? It's a beautiful message. So, it's also about appreciating what you have. And maybe we're supposed to be appreciating nature more. So to appreciate nature more, you have to get out in nature more. So the golden years means that you are living now. Appreciate what you have and then it's golden. And then it shines. Do your best and give your best to the world. That's the message of the green dragon today. Tune in, everybody. Tune in. If you need to know how to tune in, I can help you to tune in. I wish everybody a great day today. Get out, get some nature today. The answers will come. Thank you.